Today we're going to cover the Hawaiian squat. Now this is one version of the four sort of general one-legged squat movements that you can do. There's the traditional pistol squat, where the leg is out in front. There's the shrimp squat, where it's out in extension behind you. There is this Hawaiian squat, where it's externally rotated in the hip. And then there's the dragon squat, which is its internal rotation in the hip. All four of these are good to work on, as they will help improve your balance and your single leg strength, as well as your hip positioning and your ability to actively use that flexibility that you've built up from all your mobility work. So to do this, all you're going to do is you're going to stand on your left leg, lift your right leg and place the ankle above your kneecap. From there, you're going to keep a normal squat position. You're going to hinge at the hips and begin a single leg squat. So this will have quite a lot of ankle mobility in it as well. As you go down to the bottom position of the squat, you will feel more than likely a good stretch in your glutes and maybe a little bit in your hip flexor. If you can't get to the full depth of the position for now, just aim to get to parallel and build on it from there. Maybe have a little box or a stool behind you so that you can go down and rest on it and then practice the powering out of the position. This would be the next one on from the shrimp squat. So I would do the 4 single leg squat variations in sequence. So I would do the pistol squat, the shrimp squat, the Hawaiian squat like this one, and then finally I would begin working on the dragon squat. But give it a go anyway. It's a great flexibility test as well as great single leg strength builder. It helps you work on your balance as well. Once you're getting more confident, you can try it with your eyes closed. It makes it a hell of a lot harder. But give it a go and let me know what you think.